Hi there, my name is Ilaria and thanks for stopping by. Today we're talking laundry. Now if you're new here, I found my own way of keeping on top of the housework, and I started off with the Fly Lady system, and then from there things have evolved to something that just works for me. But certainly one thing that the Fly Lady always says is to have a morning routine. And as part of my morning routine is to do one load of washing every single morning. Okay, not every single morning, but most mornings. We're a family of four, we produce quite a bit of laundry, so I'll be honest, most mornings I have a full load, no problem. But occasionally I don't, so I just don't do the laundry. The first thing that I do differently is that we don't have a laundry hamper in each room or each bedroom. Our house is big but not huge, and we just have the one laundry hamper in the hall. That way everybody can throw things in there and I only have to deal with one hamper. Now the truth is everybody puts the laundry wherever they wish and then I just go and collect it. Is that ideal? No. But even when we had a laundry basket in each single room, people still didn't really use them. So I figured I might as well save myself a step and have just the one laundry hamper in the hall. The second shocking thing that I do is that I don't sort my laundry. That's right. All of my laundry goes in together. Lights, darks, towels. I guess occasionally if I'm washing the animals' laundry, so the dog's bed, the cat's rugs and that, those I tend to keep separately, but that happens only about once a month. And there are just a few items that are a little bit more delicate, so I may pay a little bit more attention as to what they end up in the laundry with. But really 99% of our clothes and other laundry just go in together. So I just take it and put it all in the washing machine and I'm done. I don't have to worry about it. That means that most days I'm actually fully, completely, totally on top of my laundry, which, oh my God, it feels so good. So everything goes in together and then everything comes out together. I do actually do a tiny bit of sorting when things come out of the wash before they go in the dryer. I don't put any towels or sheets in the dryer just because they take a long time to dry and I'm trying to save energy. I do feel quite guilty about using my dryer. We are on solar, although not off the grid, so that helps a little bit. But to be honest, it would be way more environmentally friendly to not use the dryer at all. But what I have found for me is that if I start putting the washing on the line, first of all, it takes ages. The other thing is I tend to forget it on the line so much. And so it sits there and it sits there and then the sun comes and the clothes get bleached in the sun, or the rain comes, much rarer, and then you end up with wet laundry again. And so then I have to do it again, and meanwhile there's more laundry coming. Anyway, it just doesn't work for me. So when we got solar, I also got myself a dryer, and oh my God, that was a huge improvement. Usually I don't even bother putting the sheets and the towels on the line for the same reasons that I said before. They just kind of sit there and get forgotten. Instead, I just either drape them over the shower rail, or I might just get out the clothes area and put them on that. But usually by the evening, everything is dry together, whether they were in the dryer or not. And then in the evening or whenever I've got a chance, but ideally that same day, I collect all my dry laundry and I put it away. Now notice I didn't say I fold it and put it away. I just put it away. Yes, I don't fold very much. That is the third thing that I do that's a bit unusual. And that's just because you've got to pick your battles, and this is a battle I'm not willing to fight. Now, if opening a drawer that's all messed up really affects you, then by all means go away and fold your laundry. I personally don't care. Other thing that I do is that I don't fold in the laundry, or rather I don't sort in the laundry before I put things away. The main reason for this is actually because our laundry is cat central. We have 5 cats. They live in the house, in the laundry, and they have a large outdoor run. But mostly all of their kitty litter and food and water and beds are all in the laundry. So really there isn't a huge amount of lovely, perfectly pristine clean space that I can use to be folding or at least sorting my laundry. So I don't do that. I normally just get my laundry basket and off I go to the bedroom. Now the bedroom where I sleep has 3 people's worth of clothes. So my 10-year-old daughter has her own room and her own closet. But then in our bedroom we have my partner and I and my youngest daughter. We all 3 of us sleep in a triple bed, basically. We are a co-sleeping family. And we have all of our clothes in that room as well. So normally I go and pour the laundry onto my bed and I sort it that way. So from there, I don't have to sort it and then put it away. I'm already in the room where the majority of the laundry lives, so I can put everything in the cupboards directly as it happens. Usually I will have one more laundry basket next to me where I throw all of my eldest daughter's clothes, and then I just put it in her room. Most of the time I just leave it in her room and she deals with it herself. Sometimes if I'm feeling particularly nice or I've got some extra time, I might put it away for her. And then the other thing I usually have when I'm sorting the laundry, I make a little pile on the side of my bed for all the dishwashing cloth and all the rugs and all the things that live in the kitchen. And so when I finish, those go in the kitchen. So basically the whole put away is the one step. And usually I put a timer for between 10 and 15 minutes, depending on how much time I have and how much laundry I have. And I keep sorting until the timer goes off, which usually is plenty of time to get everything done. And then as the timer rings, I quickly grab my kitchen pile, put it in the kitchen, and I'm done. That just really works for me. So there you have it. Just a few things that I do differently that have really saved my life. One single laundry basket for the whole family in a central location. Doing a lot of washing every day, that's not such a different thing, but it's definitely something you should be doing, and take it to completion. Do the washing, the drying, and the putting away straight away. Then I also make sure that I just wash everything together unless there's some really special items in there, and that also saves me a heap of time. And finally, I just don't fold 90% of our clothes. They just get put away as they are. And again, that really speeds things up. So I hope you don't think I'm completely crazy, and if you do, that's fine. It works for me, but maybe if you're completely overwhelmed from the laundry like I used to be, you will consider giving some of these ideas a chance, and maybe they will work for you as well, or maybe they won't. But maybe while you're trying my ideas, you can come up with your own to make a system work for you.